nothing, nothing without a woman or a girl.
Can't believe it. Ibrahim's doing a 4 plates with 10 each. God, that's huge. Come on, man.
To take us over the road. Man made the train. To carry the heavy load. Man made the electric light. Of the dogs. Man made the boat full of water. Like Noah made the ark. This is a man's world. But it wouldn't be nothing, nothing. Not a woman or a girl. Man thinks about a little bit of baby girls.
Look at that
And a
bicep.
baby boy.
Come on, Ibrahim.
Man makes them happy.
Mashiintaana u jeeday gacmaha aad ay u qurxisaa. So jiimka daymaad maalmaha gacantaa subinaysa don't skip it macnaha. Ha ka tagin soo inaad suubisaa isku day.
Everything he can.
Kayaabi.
You know the man makes
Kayaabi.
money to buy some other man.
Wallah adag ku taala hayso. Yeah.
Man's world. But it wouldn't be nothing, nothing. Not one little thing without a woman or a girl. He's lost in the wilderness. He's lost
I can't believe it. Look at that, Ibrahim.
in
Ibrahim,
bitterness.
secretku inay sheegtaa niyo. Gacantaa saa u weyn macquul ma. Masha Allah, masha Allah. Come on, Ibrahim. Wax ku darsano oo fududahay. waxaan waa 50 macnaha waaga xamar joognaa ama Soomaaliya qof walba meel uu joogo waxaan leeyahay dadka loorka galeyga madax saarnaa moogta had gacmaha saarnaa gacmaha
But it would be nothing, nothing without a woman or a girl. You see, man made the car.
laacibka Arsenal waa dhaashay mardhow wuxuu rabaa inuu Arsenal u safto
Man made the train to carry the heavy load.
khayr badan caloosha wareeris waa jirtaa oo Soomaalideena ah
Man made the electric
marka ay ma hadana inta caloosha ma
take
xanuunta
us out of the dark.
caloolku ma dhismata xaafadda la iska fadhiyay masha Allah waa in la iskaano
Like Noah made the ark. This is a man's world. But it wouldn't be nothing, nothing. Not a woman or a girl.
dayna neefsato inta maasha suubaysta kaamirada laga daasho sawaad غيرت جيمك جعل أرزانا
Little
دقن
bit of baby girl.
واتنا نكي أرض بها مشينا عادي هنا ماشان
And a
يالا
baby boy.
واتنا مشين تعالوش اللي قول السوق
Man make them happy.